Today South Africa. So right here behind me we've got the brand new TECNA machine that is just landed in South Africa, the very first of its kind. So I'm going to be unwrapping it, we're going to set it up, and as we go along we're going to show you step by step how this machine actually works and functions, and fully automated, meaning that it's user friendly, literally plug and play after we've set it up. Anybody can use it, and we're going to take each of the guys in the workshop on how to operate this new machine. So we're going to unwrap it, and as we continue the day we will take you step by step through on how this machine actually looks like and how it operates. Thank you so much, so stay tuned. Cool, krachtig aan. We're now ready to start the training. Basically on how the system works. It's very similar to the previous one, but much more automated and user friendly. So you switch your power on. Obviously you have to check that you've got air and you've got power. Obviously the power is on, as you can see. Yep. So the first thing that you want to do is check what job you're going to do, meaning which arm you're going to be needing for the type of job. So we're just going to go with the standard one that's currently on the gun. So we're giving it a moment to load. What's going to happen in the next couple of days, you're going to get access to your own user. You're going to send all the details to this, and then they will set you guys up for the user. When you log in, meaning that your job that you've done and all your spots will then also be recorded. And then we've got a flash drive here that at the end of the month they can pull a log of this car was worked on and these are the spots it was, how many spots you actually did per job.
A lot larger, easier to use, a lot simpler. The effect of taking the head bolts and putting it back. So, asking about it to weight distribution of the fact that for my old car, very heavy to work with. Now I was at the lockers and then over, especially with the table in the way of the car. They're starting about it.